This text highlight effect is used
CapCut's
by
desktop video editor blends AI power and professionalism. Features like script to video, auto reframe, and auto captions streamline your work.
content creators to make their content more engaging. Here's how you can do it inside of CapCut.
So the first thing we are going to do is click on add text, and then you are going to type in 3 dashes. Change the color of the dash to yellow. That is because I want the color of my text highlights to be yellow. If you want the color of your text highlight to be red, you can change the color of the dash to red. Scroll down a bit and I'm going to turn off the uniform scale. After turning the uniform scale off, set the width to around 300 and the height to about 450. When you are happy with the size of the line, you are going to create a compound clip. Right click on the text file and select the create compound clip option. Now go to the mask section, choose split mask, rotate the mask to -90 degree, then drag the mask to sit at the very beginning of the line. Scroll down and add a mark setting keyframe. Now you are going to move a few frames forward and then you are going to drag the mask across the line, and when you play it back, line nicely reveals itself. You should know that if you want the highlight to come faster, you are going to move the keyframe close to each other, and if you want the movement to be slower, you are going to spread the keyframes apart. Now the second line start exactly where the playhead is. Hold the Alt key from the keyboard, click on the clip and then drag it upward to create a duplicate copy of it.
Script to video, auto reframe, and auto captions streamline your work.
To adjust the new line, go to basic and turn off the uniform scale. Then you can increase the width of our new line, our second line of our text highlight, to match your desired length. You can do the same thing for the other highlight. Just duplicate the previous one and make any changes you want, so that you don't have to start from scratch. Adjust anything you need, the text, the color, the timing. You can do this for the remaining highlight until everything matches your style. Now we are going to create a compound clip, but first trim your highlight clip so that they match the length of your main clip. With all the text highlights selected, right click to create a compound clip. With the compound clip selected, go to basic and then you are going to change the blend mode to multiply.